Hello and welcome to the DG Technologies DPA Inspect Purchasing Guide. In this video, we will take you through the DPA Inspect CARB Compliance tool, get you set up with your new product, and install the program. To start, you will go to dpainspect.truck-connect.com and go to our DPA Inspect landing page. Once you visit, you'll see 4 buttons, a couple of Buy Now buttons, a customer login if you've already got an account, and schedule a call in case you want to talk to someone here at DG Technologies. On this page, you'll find all sorts of useful information about DPA Inspect, as well as the CARB Clean Truck Check and our DG Technologies official CARB certified tools. Once you click Buy Now, you'll be taken to the Tools for CARB Compliance heading, where you'll see our offerings for DPA Inspect. For the purposes of this video, we will be purchasing the DPA Inspect / DPA XL V13 bundle. However, you can also purchase the regular DPA XL and DPA Inspect bundle or the software itself. The software itself will always be a $495 a year charge. However, you'll see here the cost of this bundle is $1340. Once you click Buy Now, you'll be taken to a registration page on the Truck-Connect portal. Here you will want to match the email of your CARB tester email that is associated with your CARB tester ID and your company name. So we will input our email and our company name. Then we will select that we are not a robot. And we will click Buy Now. Once you click Buy Now, you'll be taken to a checkout page. And here is where you will see your information of what you purchased. So the DPA XL V13 kit is an $845 upfront charge, plus our DPA Inspect software at $495. That will be billed annually as it says here. We will input our CARB tester ID, whatever that may be, and the email that we just associated with on the Truck Connect portal. Since we ordered a tool, we're going to input our shipping address. And I'm going to put in the DG Technologies address. You will put yours in here and your phone number. And then you will put in your card information. After you're done with that, you can select if you would like your billing info to match your shipping, and then also you can uncheck this Save My Info for one-click checkout link. When you subscribe, you acknowledge that we are charging you a subscription, and this will be automatically renewed every year. So we're going to hit subscribe, and we're on our way. We've registered for DPA Inspect on the Truck-Connect portal. Check your email. An email will be sent via DG Technologies containing your username and your temporary password. This temporary password will be used to log in just once, as you will be prompted to change your password immediately. Okay, so now once you are all logged in, you've changed that temporary password. That brings you to the My Services page of the Truck Connect portal. You'll see the programs in white are the ones you have purchased through the entire portal. You'll see DPA Inspect is white because we have purchased it. The rest of these services are either coming soon or are grayed out because you do not own them. So you've bought the program. How do you download it? We're going to go up to the right-hand corner here. You'll see a couple options associated with your account. In this case, we're going to click Downloads. We're going to navigate to DPA Inspect. You'll see you have an Inspect manual available here to look at. And then obviously the download for the application. So we're going to click that and we're going to download the program. If you're on Chrome, you'll see in the upper right hand corner the program has been downloaded. We're going to click that. And then it should open up a installation. And we're going to install the DPA Inspect software. We did purchase a DPA XL V13 kit with our landing page purchase. So when that gets here, in your hands, you're going to want to go to dgtech.com. You'll see right off the bat, you'll see the tool that you ordered, our DPA XL. But we want to have the right drivers in order to work with the program. So we're going to go down here to Documents, or Downloads. Click on the DPA family of products. You'll see the latest DPA XL version is listed here. And we are going to download. Okay, so now that your DPA XL drivers are up to date, let's boot up DPA Inspect. You should have an icon appear on your desktop. If not, you can use the search bar down below. And you will open up your DPA Inspect software for the first time. So we're going to put in that username that we used to sign up on the portal that matches our CARB tester ID email, and I cannot spell. We're going to input the same password that we changed from the temporary password. And we're going to log in. And then you'll be able to use the DPA Inspect app as intended. So after we're done using the DPA Inspect software, you'll go back to the Truck Connect portal. You'll go to the My Services page. The exact URL is truck-connect.com/my_services. You'll log in and you'll get back to your My Services page where you'll be able to click on the DPA Inspect icon here. And it'll take you to a chart of the scans that you've run, if they were submitted to CARB, and the status as well. So that wraps up the Truck Connect purchasing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed.